Ladies and gentlemen, now we have the historic moment coming to the Shamator town monolith dedication ceremony. Dedicatory prayer will be led by Dr. Estiakam, Executive Secretary of Yimchung Baptist.
With the people that day and made statutes and ordinances for them at Shechem. Joshua wrote these words in the book of the law of God, and he took a large stone and set it up there. May I unto the request our Honorable Chief Minister to unveil the monolith.
As the servant of God had invoked God's blessing upon our program, I take great pleasure on behalf of my honorable colleagues, ministers, advisors, and MLAs to inaugurate the new Shamator district, and in memory of the district inauguration, I unveil the monolith stone so that the younger generations will know the history of the new district, and let there be peace among ourselves and development and a bright future for the younger generations to come. God bless.
Shamator village melting village melt troop.